Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Tailwind CSS 4.1, which has text shadows and things like masks. And I just want to talk about all the new features, which I love. I'm a very big fan of Tailwind CSS, and I'll probably use it daily since it's released in alpha. And yeah, it's very good. And now it has text shadows, which I'm not sure if it'll come out in the video good, but it looks very good. So it goes from 2axis to LG, which is great. And yeah, we can do text shadow colors. So my button is going to look good. My all the H1 text in my website marketing pages will now have text shadows because this supports it natively now. I used to write CSS for that, specifically for this, so this is great. And yeah, you can do some opacity on that. So yeah, this looks good. Other things is this is great. I've been writing CSS for like 10 years now, and I've never used mask because it's just a hard thing to get. But yeah, it's now in Tailwind, so I'll be probably using this all the time. So mask. This works like the background gradient things. So mask right from 30%. So it just masks from 30% to the thing. So yeah, this looks good. I'll be probably using this a lot. It looks very nice. So yeah, again in landing pages, in my all the marketing sections, I'll be using masks. And yeah, they have improved compatibility in order process. I didn't know this was a problem because I thought adding auto prefix to this to Tailwind bundle will automatically improve compatibility, but I actually didn't know Tailwind 4 had this issue. But yeah, now it's better. That's good to see. And text overlap, we added word break, which is good, break word, which is good, wrap anywhere. So these are like small things. So if you don't want ellipses in your application, this is good. I usually don't recommend any place that should have ellipses, so this is good for that. And drop shadow now has colors, which is nice. So drop shadow also takes this, but it's similar to shadows, which has black, but now you can add colors to the drop shadow, which is nice. So this is for target input devices. So if you have a touch screen, you can add more padding to this button. So this is also good. And align items to baseline, I'll be using this more too. So it just aligns this text is an align items baseline last. So how everything aligns to a single text thing, the last text in the whole dev. So this is good. I'll be probably using this a lot too. And this is nice. I didn't know CSS had this, but so in normal justify center, it will always be in center. So even if it's in small screen, it will be in center, and you can't just see what's before that. But we now have justify center safe, which will be in center as long as it has a screen size, and after that it will just be in the left, which is great. So I'll be using this a lot too, probably with an inline scroll. So everything can be safely centered, so you can see all the things. So here you can't even see what the first badges are after we hit a certain point, but that's why center safe changes that, which is great. Yeah. And you can have ignore specific paths, great. And add specific classes, so you can add all the red classes like this, which are amazing. I'll probably be using this a lot too. So when I'm building like UI components, I'll be using this a lot to preview them. So yeah, these are good. And some other new variants, details variants, inverted colors mode, no script hidden, and you can add no script block. So yeah, we have like some more variants added to Tailwind CSS. So yeah, that's it. I'm very excited for text shadows, and I'll be using this a lot in my as I said, landing pages. So uh, it looks good. It's a great release, and let me know if you want me to design something with the text shadows and uh, show how it looks. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.